Hi everyone, it's Sophie here from Webbers in Barnstaple, and I am here today outside the last remaining plot that we have at Train Farm. This is a substantial reverse level 4-bedroom detached property with integral garage and master ensuite. Come and take a look with me. As you can see, the open plan living accommodation in this property is very spacious and light, also benefiting from some lovely countryside views. If you like what you see today and you feel like this could be the home for you, please don't hesitate to give us a call on 01271 373 404 and we hope to see you soon.